Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusiswa nje.
We have established a team that will investigate those implicated in the Madlanga Commission.
Ithimba lamaphoyisa lisungulelwe ukulandela umyalelo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa lizophenya abantu abasishiyagalolunye okubalwa kubona amaphoyisa kanye neziphathimandla zomkhandlu udolobha waseKuruleni.
To have access to the client, and that obviously means that he's asking you to sign certain affidavits. That doesn't only relate to the issue of an urgent, but also to the issue of a bail application on new facts.
Ummeli kaVusimuzi Kate Matlala utshele inkantolo ukuthi balungiselela ukufaka isicelo esisha sebhayili ngemva kokuthola imininingwane ethile emisha. Icala lakhe lizophindela inkantolo ngoLwesine oluzayo.
We thought it was important that we have people who must help me add to what I'm doing.
Umengameli weqembu umkhonto wesizwe usebenzela ithimba labantu abayishumi nomuvo elizomelekelela ngomsebenzi wokwengamela leli qembu njengoba sekubhekwe okhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo. Nabenkungu emnyama embathi intaba zomzimba kwangwane kwaze kwasumntana enkosi uGuduze Gedezela libumbene lomkhothi ihora siyakhuleka nina bendlula mithi yamakhosi edlule ezinye ngentamo ake ngiqobele nanka amaqatha aqalazayo agangile ngakho. Umkhuzo wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene ufane Masimula uthi ithimba lamaphoyisa lisungulwe kulandela umyalelo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa lizophenya abantu abayisishiyagalolunye okubalwa kubona amaphoyisa kanye neziphathimandla zomkhandlu udolobha waseKuruleni.
Following a directive from the presidency, President Ramaphosa, we have established a team that will investigate those implicated in the Madlanga Commission.
Umkhuzo wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene ufane Masimula uqinisekise ukuthi bazophenywa bonke abanamagama athintekayo kukhomishana kaMadlanga. uJenene Masimula usho lokhu njengoba amaphoyisa kanye neNPA bebebambe isithangamo sabe indaba ePitoli nokuyisithangamo bekuhloswe ngaso ukuveza umsebenzi owenziwa amaphoyisa ngamaholidi kaZibandlela kanye nokuveza okwenzeka kuyo ikhomishana kaMadlanga.
With regard to progress on General Sibiya's matter, the disciplinary process is in progress, and I cannot predict when it will be finalized, but it is in progress.
Uphiko olushushisa amacala omphakathi NPA luthi kuzoqinisekiswa ukuthi baphephile labo abethula ubufakazi kukhomishana kaMadlanga.
There is a question around safety measures, around witnesses. As you may be aware that NPA oversees the witness protection program. We will also contribute into the measures that really government is working on.
Zimbalwa inyanga ezisele ukuze ikhomishana kaMadlanga ihlinzeke ngombiko ophelele.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga engenele osukwini loma-55 namhlanje izongey'nsolo zofakazi bokuthiwa kwaba ibamba lomkhuzo wamaphoyisa uKhomotsho Phahlane wayenokuxhumana okukhulu nosomabhizinisi ondabamlonyeni uVusimuzi Kate Matlala othathwa njengeqeqebana legilamkhuba engene ezagamanxe kuphazamiseni ukusebenza kwey'nhlakazi zobulungiswa la eNingizimu Afrika.
Ubrigadier Rachel Macheng otshele ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi ube nobudlelwano bezothando bebehamba phele noVusimuzi Matlala ugeqa amagula inaba ngokuxhumana kwakukhona phakathi kukaKate Matlala kanye noPhahlane owagcina ekhonjwa indlela embuthweni wamaphoyisa ngo-2020.
What is the nature of the relationship between Mr. Phahlane and Mr. Matlala?
Acquaintances.
They are acquaintances. And you know this because?
Sometimes when General Phahlane is looking for Mr. Matlala and he can't get through him, he will either call me knowing that I will see Mr. Matlala or I will relay the message.
Ubrigadier Macheng usiqhelanisile ezinsolweni zokuthi uMatlala wakhokhela ukuthi akhulise izinqa phecelezi iBBL uthe yena acela kuMatlala ukuthi amthengele amaphilisi okuncipha aziwa ngeOzempic.
At least I was doing it the normal way. I did not go for BBL.
Brigadier, do you want to explain what the relevance of that is? When you say that at least you were using that and not and didn't go for BBL.
Because I was told that Ozempic will go hand in hand with BBL. And those that I'm seeing at work who did the BBL, they also use Ozempic.
Isithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga sizoqhubeka ekseni ngomsombuluko nokulindeleke ukuthi kubizwe ufakazi omusha ongadalulwanga ngezizathu zokuphepha.
Ummeli kaVusimuzi Matlala utshela inkantolo ukuthi balungiselela ukufaka isicelo esisha sebheli ngemva kokuthola imininingwane emisha ethile icala lakhe lizophindela inkantolo ngoLwesine.
Usomabhizinisi ongundaba mlonyeni uVusimuzi Matlala kulindeleke ukuthi aphinde afake isicelo sebheyili ngemuva kokuthi esinye isicelo sakhe sachithwa inkantolo yemantshi yase-Alexandra ngonyaka owedlule.
We've got certain instructions at this point in time. We need to have access to the client, and that obviously means that his advocate to sign certain affidavits. That doesn't only relate to the issue of an urgent, but also to the issue of a bail application on new facts, which obviously can potentially alleviate a lot of the issues we're currently dealing with.
Ummeli kaMatlala uphinde watshela inkantolo ukuthi namanje abakayithola incwadi evela eminyangweni wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo echaza ukuthi kungani uMatlala esagcinwe ejele laseBhongweni eKokstad. Yize kunjalo kepha umbuso uthi wona usuvele uyitholile impendulo kulolu daba.
In defense of the Correctional Services Department, which is not represented here, is that from this correspondence that I received from them, is that they are not unreasonable in granting access to accused number 3 for consultations. In fact, they allowed his attorney to consult with him at Kosimamkhulu earlier in the week for about 2 or 3 hours.
Kusenjalo inkantolo ithi angeke iqambukele odabeni lokuthi uMatlala ugcinwe kuphi.
You know what your rights are, Miss van den Heever. But and again, the court reiterates that the court sympathizes with you. Obviously, the state or correctional services in particular have got their reasons why they are of the view that your client ought to be kept at that facility.
Umengameli we-MKP uJacob Zuma usememezela ithimba elisha elizosebenzisana naye elizomeseka ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe eqenjini. Leli thimba lifaka phakathi indodana yakhe uDuduzane Zuma libunjwa nje kuninguquko eziqhubekayo zobuholi kanye nokukhathazeka ngokubandakanyeka komndeni kaZuma eqenjini.
uZuma umemezele amalungu ayishumi ethimba elizosebenzisana naye. Leli thimba liholwa yikhansela le-ANC noyengusomlomo kamasipala waseMzumbe uSibonelo Maphumulo owaxoshwa kuKhongolose. uMaphumulo ke wabe eseba yikhansela lokuqala le-MKP. uZuma uthe lesi sinyathelo ke asiyona inkombo yokuthi unezinselele ebuholini bakhe kodwa uhloso ukuqinisa iqembu.
We thought it was important that we have people who must help me add to what I'm doing and what we are all doing. But given the kind of what we do today and what we want to do, what also we are heading to do, we must establish this unit which is going to be working with the president.
Ukufaka kwendodana yakhe uDuduzane kuleli thimba kuzoqinisa umbono walabo abasola uZuma ngokusebenzisa leli qembu ukuqasha amalungu emndenini wakhe.
There is obviously a presidential task team. They will be communicating the presidential task team charter, and in there, you know, it will be further more deeply articulated in terms of their actual role.
Sekuyobonakala ngamavoti ukuthi lesi sinyathelo ke siyalisiza noma cha leli qembu.
Lo beyinhloko ye-NPA u-Advocate Shamla Patoho usenikezwe imvume yokuqoka ummeli ozommela kulesi sigcawu esiphenya ngobuqotho bomqondisi wophiko lwe-NPA eSouth Gauteng u-Advocate Andrew Chauke ukuze aqhubeke nokwethula ubufakazi bakhe.
The report I have is as follows, that that issue has to some extent been resolved, and I've been informed by the NPA team that she has now been granted permission to appoint a legal team, shall I say an attorney, who will then appoint counsel for her to assist her in relation to the legal counsel that she requires. And that has only occurred, I think, yesterday, so it was reported to me. And I am not sure whether that counsel has now been formally appointed. And I discussed it with Advocate Hali earlier on, and when we actually thought it will be part of our report in chambers, where he will also participate in giving that report, the final details of what is happening.
Mbokele sivumele sithi ukugwinya mathe kanti mabe sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi
isimo saseNatal asifuni ukuthi sithathwe nje njengesimo esenzeka nje kwezinye ifundazwe.
Undunankulu esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal uThami Ntuli wethula inhlelo okuzonqandwa ngazo isifo samatele kulesa sifundazwe. Asikubingelele mbukelo sikwamukela uma usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi ithimba lamaphoyisa elisungulelwe ukulandela umyalelo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa lizophenya abantu abayishagalolunye ukubalwa kubona amaphoyisa kanye neziphathimandla zomkhandlu udolobha waseGroleni. Asikhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola uma ngabe siqeda nje ukuyisakaza.
Eyes will be on the South African president as he delivers the State of the Nation address on Thursday, the 12th of February, 2026. As your public broadcaster, we will be bringing you rolling coverage from morning analysis through to late evening in various indigenous languages.
Zawubona ke besixelela ngoba infrastructure spending izabanjani.
Noxolo Mwali, Siphephile Kunene, Chifiwa Doyoyo and Sipho Kekana will be on the ground in Cape Town delivering live updates and analysis in your language of choice. Our trusted anchors will guide the conversations from our Auckland Park studios ngeSixhosa, Xitsonga, Tshivenda, Siswati, ngeSizulu, kaSesotho, reflecting South Africa's rich linguistic and cultural diversity. Don't miss our special coverage of the State of the Nation address from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. right here on Lihaye, available on SABC Plus and DTT channel. Lihaye, your language, your voice.
Uhulumeni esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal useyinyathelweni zokuqinisekisa ukuthi kuyanqandeka ukubhebhetheka kwesifo samatele.
Iziphathimandla KwaZulu-Natal zithi ukuqubuka kwalesi sifo kube nomthelela omkhulu kwezomnotho, indlela abantu abaziphilisa ngayo kanye nezolimo. Kunezinkomo ezilinganiselwa ku2.4 million esifundazweni, kanti zingu207 izindawo ezithintekile, kanti zingu187 ekungakabibikho isisombululo. Ukuqubuka kwalesi sifo kwaqala ngo2021 ogwini olusenyakatho yesifundazwe.
Kodwa sizoba nokuxhumana namhlanje nongqongqoshe kazwelonke wezolimo sinongqongqoshe wesifundazwe wezolimo ukuba sixoxe ngoba isimo saseNatal asifuni ukuthi sithathwe nje njengesimo esenzeka nje kwezinye ifundazwe.
Njengengxenye yezinyathelo zokuqinisa ukunqanda lesi sifo, uhulumeni wesifundazwe uzosebenzisana nazo zonke izinhlaka zikahulumeni ukuqinisekisa ukulandelwa kwemithetho yokuhamba kwemfuyo. Iziphathimandla zithi ukuthuthwa kwemfuyo ngokungekho emthethweni enye yezinto ezibangela ukusabalala kwalesi sifo.
Kodwa siyagcizelela okokuqala ebantwini bakithi ukuthi lolu daba lokuhambiswa kwemfuyo isuku kweyindawo yekwenye indawo ake begweme size sikwazi ukuthi sifinyelele kubona nemigomo ngoba siwulindele umgomo ungakapheli uFebruary. silindele ukuthi umgomo siwuthole ungakapheli uFebruary sikwazi ukuthi ke bese besilekelela ke bomnyango ukuthi ufinyelele endaweni zonke.
uNtuli uthi ingxenye yokuqala yemithi yokugoma engu-1.5 million ethengwe kuzwelonke kulindele ukuthi ifike esifundazweni ngesonto elizayo. NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Kampani ezimele i-BMIT Knowledge Group ithi SABC idinga imigomo emisha ngoba imithetho yakudala yangeminyaka yo-90 isiphelelwe isikhathi. Lengaba nephinde yaphakamisa ukuthi i-SABC kufanele ithole uxhaso lwezimali oluvela kuhulumeni minyaka yonke ukuze ikwazi ukuyimela isikhathi eside.
SABC ilindele isikhokelo kwisebe lezonxibelelwano ngendlela ezintsha zokunyusa ingeniso. Kukho inkampani yabucala encedisa isebe ukuze lixoze mphini wumbi. Phantsi kwezi zindululo zikhoyo ngoku kukuqwalasela imithetho elawula i-SABC.
The basis for the SABC, the mandate, which was very visionary in the 1990s at the dawn of our democracy, and served well at the time, because of certain legal regulatory execution over time and the fact that it hasn't been updated, it's actually now providing invisible handcuffs to the SABC.
Kwakhona kukho nesindululo sokuba i-SABC izame ukufumana intlawulo ngokuba negalelo ku-DSTV. Kukho nekhwelo lokuba urhulumente angenelele ngokwezimali qho ngonyaka. Iinkcukacha ezinzulu zezindululo ziyimfihlelo okwangoku.
What is coming through from the portfolio committee is that you should look at a hybrid sort of setup for funding of the SABC. I think also the members have raised quite sharply the issue of giving due consideration to issues of affordability and I suppose a level of equity while progressive in some cases.
Kwiindaba ze-SABC, Dingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
Ongqongqoshe wemfundo esisekelo Sivuyo Gwahube uthi izothathelwa inyathelo ezinqala lezo ifundazwe ingayisebenzisi ngendlela inqala sizinda kanye nemali yoxhaso oluvela kuhulumeni. Gwahube ukholwa ukuthi lokho kugcina kuholele kubambezelekeni kokuthuthukiswa kwezikole kakhulukazi endaweni zasemakhaya efaka phakathi ifundazwe iLimpopo, eKwaZulu-Natal kanye nesifundazwe iEastern Cape.
Njengempuma koloni ayaqhubekeka nokuba nemingeni yeziseko zingekho semgangathweni nangona inzame ezisenziwa. Ukuchitha isabelo esinikwa amaphondo ngendlela eyiyo kungancedisa kakhulu kulomngeni weziseko. Oku kuzana njengoko izikolo zikwajongene nemingeni equka ukuphuphumala kwabafundi kumagumbi okufundela.
Nee-toilets zethu siyabawela zibe komnye umgangatho kuba ezi toilets ezi abantwana xa bengene phaa ngaphakathi baye batyhudisana ungena and then ubonakala into yobana baye bamoshana njani nangaphakathi ibingaske bathi bengena babona into yobana yindawo icoceke kakhulu ziflashwe ii-toilets ukwenzela abantwana bangafumani ubungozi.
Ukanti kuza kuthathwa amanyathelo ngakumaphondo angayisebenzisiyo le mali ejongene nokuphuhliswa kweziseko.
Lonyaka with the LMEC and zabahash kubo to say into bana uyayispenda na imali ofanele uyispenda kwi-infrastructure especially kwindawo ezifana nenjena ezisemaphandleni.
Elisebe likwathi lidinga isixamali esingaphaya kwe-100 billion ukuze kuqutyiswane nomngeni wokuphuphumala kwabafundi kumagumbi okufundela kwaye kuchithwe nezindlu zangasese ezingekho semgangathweni. Abongile Yankis kwiindaba ze-SABC engqushwa.
Emvuleni amandla ishiya umonakalo omkhulu emqanduli esifundazweni Eastern Cape izolo ebusuku. Kucekeleke phansi izindlu imindeni yasala imtshengo ibethwa ubani.
Sitshabalalise into ebisakuba likhaya lakwaMfadu, umnikazi welikhaya ebehlala kwindlu yethutyana kodwa kwayona yatshatyalaliswa sesisichotho.
Izolo apha kuphabatheke yindlu kulomvula. Ndanetha ndamanzi nempahla yam yamnetha ibisendlini yonke yamanzi andinanto ngoku emzimbeni. Ndalala komelwa ndimanzi ndinjalo.
Yabuya ngamandla sikuronta ku-6 khona. Sisahleli apho babonakala iflat ba imka. Sathi sajongile hayi nyani imka.
Iintambo zombane nazo ziwe phantsi kwashiyeka abahlali besemnyameni bathi bafuna uncedo lungxamisekileyo kurhulumente.
Sizamile ukufowuna izolo sivele safaka egroupini sinegroup
So wonke umuntu uyayazi yonke lento. Qha uKSD akakafiki. Kubethu 12 ngoku.
Kwangena amanzi endlini kwaqoboka ne-wardrobe wachithwa ngena amanzi. Sabaleka xa sizama ubaleka wathixeka indlu sisithi sibaleka lapha kusisikona. Xa sifika usisikona usisikona uphandle.
Abasemagunyeni bathi banolwazi ngale meko.
Amaqela ethu olawulo lwentlekele athe bazalala apha kummandla wase-OR Tambo esenza uphonononga ukujonga ubungakanani bomonakalo ukuze bamisele amanyathelo afanelekileyo ngokwenkcaza abayakuthi babuye nayo. Umasipala wesithili sase-OR Tambo uyazibophelela ekusebenzeni kulo msebenzi ngokukhawuleza, uthabatha uxanduva nokunika uncedo kuluntu.
Uma wesibuye itolo sizokubhekela ukuthi lobe linjani izulu lapha emabululwane eNquthu nalapha eWembezi eMtshezi nakwezinye ingxenye zezwe. Mbukeli sibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona namuhla kusasa bakhona oza kwethu nendaba ngolimi lwesiXhosa wena usale kahle.